I have INFINIX Zero 5 and let me show you how to change language on this device. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen, find and select settings. From the list of settings, let's go to system, and here in system, let's choose language and input. Alright, that's it. Now let's tap languages at the top of the list, and here you can use the following languages. So in my case, let me switch my language from English to Spanish. Let's tap on Espanol. And as you can see right now, the whole list of settings and also apps are in Spanish. If you would like to go back to previous version, to the English one, let's choose Ajustes, then choose Idiomas y Traducción de Texto, type Idiomas again, and from the following list, let's choose English, for instance, from United States. That's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.